Hi! Welcome to Crosscheck. Today I will show you how to record full screen using Crosscheck extension. Click on Crosscheck extension. Click on Full Screen button. Recording will be started. Now you can view device information, download the video and add comments as needed. On clicking the Create button, a check will be created on the next tab. Here you can replay your recording and view device information. Here you can see the Console tab, Network tab, and Actions tab. You can also view the added comment. You can also reply to comments. Congratulations! Your check has been created. Now you can share the link with your colleagues.